Hello, Leos, and this is the love reading for the month of August, and the reading will be resonating from the time you are watching this video to the month end. And Two of Cups and Two of Wands came for the cards where your partner, how they are seeing you, how they feel about you. So I can see that they can feel that you both, you get along well, and they just want some more time with you. They want to spend some time with you. Maybe they want to go out with you to some natural place, and they want to enjoy that time with you. And if you are single, then maybe your love interest sees you as a potential partner, and they feel that you both need to spend some time. And same is valid for the committed and the married couples. The same is applicable to them as well. So they feel that you both need to, go out, have some fun, and have some conversations where you both can tell each other how you both feel about each other. Now three cards came out for the feelings which you are having for your partner. So what I can see is that you feel that they are victimizing themselves. Maybe they are worrying a lot for no apparent reason, and you are trying to help them come up with the whatever they are feeling, come up with their feelings to clear. You are helping them to clear the air. With this Ace of Swords, you are encouraging them to communicate how they are feeling, why they are feeling that way. And what you feel is that they need to be a little compassionate with you, little open up. They need to little open up to you, so that you both can understand like why they are feeling that way. You both can work like a team, and you can solve this issue of theirs. Then what you want from your partner, this is Prince of Wands. So you want that they should be a little light hearted, and they should be more active, more aggressive. I think this is what you want from them. And you feel that right now they have slowed down. So you want them to be a little quick on this path, in this path of love which you both are going forward. And this thing is, I think, valid for all the single people, the people who are looking forward into something serious, or the people who are married. So for everyone, you feel the same way, and you want them to be a little flirty. I think that energy I can get, that you want them to convey those messages to you, something very romantic, because you yourself is this fire energy, and you are expecting the same out of them. Then this is what they expect from you. This is Ten of Wands. So what they expect is that right now you should take the burden. You have to take the burden and the responsibilities, which I think is not a very good thing, because if only one person is taking on the responsibilities, then this relationship won't last long. So this is like over expectation from you to carry on the responsibility right now. I think maybe this is temporary, because they are feeling very stuck right now in their situation. They are feeling a little bit victimized right now. So they want you to take things further, because they love you, because they are interested in you. So it can be possible that because of that, they want you to carry forward the things and the burdens of the relationship. But this thing won't last long. Either you are going to take the burden, and then they will, whenever they will feel better, then you both can go on. Or if this continues like this, then it is possible for some of you that you will leave that relationship. But I would not wish that for you. So I wish that this feeling, this expectation which they are having from you, this goes off. Then what is going on right now in between both of you is this, the Tower, Five of Wands, and Ten of Cups. So Ten of Cups is your, both of you want this. Okay, now this Ten of Cups is applicable to both, even the single and the married couples. So Ten of Cups is what you desire right now. You have come to that point in your life where you want stability, where you want a very good family life. Okay, when you come back home, then you have that feeling of, you are at home. At home means you are very comfortable, and there is someone who is taking care of you, and you are even taking care of that person, and that love is what you want, and you want it for long term. So this is what both of you want, your love interest or your partner or your the person with whom you are married. Now the problem is that there are some issues which are going on, and I think some deception was there. Someone was lying. I don't know whether it was you, your partner, or some other people were involved in it. There was some kind of conflict, some kind of arguments, and then suddenly some truth will be revealed. Now see, this energies might have happened or will happen in the near future, mostly in August. So some kind of revelation will come up, and this is going to help you. Any truth which comes up, if it is a harsh truth, then you will feel at that moment like your foundations are very much what should I say, that you won't feel very stable at that time. But this is to help you. The Tower always comes to help you, and if any kind of jealousy, any kind of conflicts and arguments are there, or any kind of rumors are there, then I think you should not pay attention to those rumors. And there might be few people who are jealous of your relationship, so they might tell you something wrong about your partner, or they will tell your partner something wrong, some mutual friends. So you should not look into that very seriously. Those are not the truth, and if they are the truth, then it will be conveyed. If whatever that those people are telling, then it will be conveyed on its own. So don't pay that much attention, because what happens if somebody tells you something, then it might affect your relationship. Only when you have your facts, then only you should when you see that thing yourself, when you feel it yourself, then only you should believe in those words or whatever other person is telling you, whatever information they are conveying. Then the obstacle is this worry. Now this can be from you or your partner. So this can happen also because of your work. It is possible that you are working a lot, or your partner is working a lot, and because of that you both are not able to give sufficient time. But this can also mean that your partner is worried about something, because as we can see, it was the case. So they are worrying a lot. This is a little bit unnecessary also, because they have got these 5 pentacles and still they are worrying. So I think they will get out of this feeling very soon. By the end of the month, they will be out of this situation, and you can help them. Okay, you both are like a team, and you both should help each other overcome this situation. Then the outcome is very pretty. This is the Lovers and Prince of Pentacles and Princess of Cups. What I feel is that the female energy is like the Princess of Cups, and the male energy is like Prince of Pentacles. So Princess of Cups is like a very innocent kind of person. So in like both of you, whoever is like very innocent kind of person, So now I think that your partner is mostly the innocent kind of person, a childlike kind of person, and that is why they are giving the responsibility of taking forward this relationship to you, or that is why they expect this from you. So that happens sometimes, that one person is a little bit childlike and they want your care, your nurturing. So I think you are very mature enough. You are this Prince of Pentacles and you are financially very stable. So you can help them. And this relationship will turn into a soulmate relationship with proper care, love, and nurturing. This can turn into the lovers. So it started off like this, Two of Cups, and it will end like the lovers if you both help each other and you both convey each other whatever you feel. Okay, communication is very important in relationships, so this is required right now. And what I feel is that if you are already in a committed relationship, then you will feel that energy by the end of the August, that the person you married was really the person you were looking for, and they take care of you very well, and even you like to take care of them, and this will turn out very beautifully. And in the coming months also, this energy will be there, and you both will feel complete with each other. That feeling of being complete with each other, that bliss will be there, and a very beautiful energy for the coming months, and mostly for August. Then with the romance angels art, this was past life relationships. So this is, I think, valid for all, even if you are single, even if you are in a committed relationship or you're married. It is for all, that you will feel that you have this past life connection because of this lovers, this soulmates. You feel that they are the one, and you were having some past life connection because as soon as you met them, you both blended so well. See, this energy became this, and now this, you feel sometime that this is like a past life relationship. I'm sorry for the noises. And this is a very beautiful feeling. See, whenever you feel that you have some chemistry between you, then it feels very good that you are going into a right direction, you are going into a right relationship. And if you have not met this person right till now, then definitely you are going to find that person, because new love card also came. So a new love has stirred your romantic feelings. So this new love, and this is even valid for the people who are into relationship. See, you are going to again renew your love. A new love doesn't always mean a new person. This means this new energy, this refreshing energy which is going to come into your life, romantic life again. You both are going to spend a lot of time. You both are going to flirt with each other. You both are going to express what you both feel for each other. So a very lovely energy. And then comes this card of freeing yourself. I think this is for your partner. They need to free themselves. It's time to take back control of your life. They should not feel like this. They should not feel victimized. They need to come out of this, so that you both can enjoy this beautiful time together. So they need to free themselves, and I think you have to help them. Then this honeymoon card is coming up. Then this can be for the people who are committed, who are already in a relationship, or who are married. So you are going to enjoy your time. This will be a holiday. So it's like a dream place, Venice, and very beautiful in the waters. How romantic this is. And definitely this is coming this month, maybe in August or September. So you all are going to enjoy your holiday. Then the archangels gave two messages for you. One was victory and one was courage. Courage is your card. Leos, what I feel, you all are people who are having lot of courage, lot of strength, and this courage has helped you with the victory. So I'll read out victory. This is: your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. Then the courage card means that be courageous and stand up for your beliefs. So you need to stand up for your beliefs, and you have to be courageous enough to express yourself, courageous enough to help your partner in whatever, however they are feeling. So you have to, take up that responsibility if they feel so. So I'll read this victory card for you. You deserve this time of victory. Your unwavering focus and dedication have resulted in blissful manifestation. Peace and pleasant feelings are yours right now. Let your focus be on this present moment and savor each feeling and experience fully. Know that the future is taken care of in a positive way as you allow yourself to enjoy the present moment. Feel good about who you are and know that your success benefits others. So your success is definitely going to benefit others. Sandalphon is one of the two archangels who are mortal men who lived such remarkable spiritual lives that they ascended into archangeldom. So ask him to help you live in integrity with your spiritual gift of prophecy, healing, manifestation, fully awakened. So whatever you are going to manifest, you are going to be victorious this month. So I wish all the best to you, and I wish that all your desires come true. Thank you for watching this reading. Please subscribe, like and comment. Please, it encourages me, so I'll be looking forward to your comments, to your feedback. So thank you so much.